And let's begin with breaking news coming in on the Chennai hospital stabbing that's been reported. The top medical body, the Indian Medical Association, has taken note of the hospital attack and in a detailed statement have condemned what's happened and again said that the medical profession is in disbelief. Strong laws are required to protect our medical staff, to protect our doctors. The IMA has been stressing on this for the last many months, keeping in mind what happened in the RG Kar hospital and now this incident of a doctor being stabbed in a Chennai government hospital. The IMA has said the need of the hour is for a security overhaul in hospitals. I'd like to bring in Sneha Modani, who tracks all the latest that comes in the health sector. Sneha, give us details of really what the IMA has said in their statement.
Well, extremely disappointed with the developments because, Akshita, this is shocking. The horrific visuals that have come in from Chennai just speaking volumes of what doctors have to go through. The patient had passed away. The son, dissatisfied with the treatment, went straight, he wanted to kill the doctor here. IMA talks about the fact that with great difficulty, they brought him back to stability, given that this doctor in question was on, blood thinners. And if you are on blood thinners, it leads to a lot of blood loss, as is evident in those pictures also that we put out. And, until just some time ago, we knew that he was extremely critical. Right now, out of danger, but this is a patient. This is a doctor who is, in fact, comorbid. Also, I would want to tell you, Akshita, since you mentioned RG Kar, it started even before that. And a demand for a separate law for doctors has been, in fact, made by Indian Medical Association for many years. In 2019, it was put off by the then government. But after the RG Kar rape and murder incident, remember, the Supreme Court had set up a national task force to, in fact, examine the issue. And just 5 days ago, the task force had, in fact, submitted a report to the Supreme Court itself saying that there is no need for a separate law, a central law, because 24 states already have laws in place. But doctors...
But a central law is essentially what the IMA has been pushing for, and with this particular incident, again highlighting that demand. Thanks, Neha, for joining us with those details.